How your employer's speculation about your motivation in your ERISA disability claim can destroy your claim. Your employer is in communication with the third-party administrator for the plan or for the disability insurance carrier. They're talking back and forth. If you've had a discussion with your employer or the claims adjuster about your return to work or the fact that you would be working but for the fact that your employer isn't accommodating you, any number of subjects, you can be assured that this information is going back and forth. And when you're speaking with them, they're going to be speculating about your motivation. They're going to be speculating about whether you really want to go back to work, whether or not you have an issue with the employer, and that's an employment issue, not a disability issue. And they're going to speculate about your medical condition and whether what you're reporting is consistent with what's in your medical records and what you're reporting to them on their forms. You also need to understand that the carrier or the plan administrator is going to have access to information from your employer. And there's going to be this communication back and forth, and that's going to result in speculation. And that speculation is going to be shared with the doctors from the disability carrier or plan or administrator who is reviewing your claim. And I can tell you, having reviewed thousands of pages of claims adjusting notes and peer review reports, that what you have to say to your employer or to the claims adjuster with just a phone call or an off-the-record discussion can result in this building and layering of this speculation. And ultimately, that speculation is going to be shared with your doctor. And they are going to take their questions about your motivation, your ability to work, your interest to work, to your doctor and ask them whether or not, if they were to assume all the speculative conclusions that the carrier or plan has reached, would impact their opinion about your ability to work, your restrictions, and your need for treatment. And so they're building layers and layers of speculation, trying to create a reason to deny your claim or to try to get your doctor to change their opinion about your ability to work. So be careful about the discussions that you have with your employer, their representative, the disability carrier, the claims administrator. All of these discussions are going to be, quote unquote, documented in the claims file. Everybody's going to have access to it, and that's how this layer of speculation builds. If you have any questions about your claim, if your claim has been denied or terminated, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States.